If you want to clear your search history on X, formerly known as Twitter, this quick guide will show you how to do it in just a few seconds. This is a simple way to remove your recent searches and keep your account a little more private, especially if you share a device or just want to reset your search activity. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open X in your browser or the mobile app and look for the search bar in the top right corner of the screen. Once you click or tap on it, a drop-down menu will appear showing your recent searches. This list is where X keeps the terms, accounts, and topics you recently searched for, so you can quickly revisit them later. If you want to remove all of that history at once, look for the Clear All option. Click Clear All and X will immediately erase your entire search history. It's fast, simple, and you don't need to delete each search individually. After that, your recent search list will be empty, and you can start fresh the next time you search. This is especially useful if you want to clean up your search suggestions or just keep your activity more organized. So to recap, click the search bar, view your recent searches, and then select Clear All to wipe the list clean. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.